Hey friends, I'm gonna do it. I've gotta do it. I'm sorry. This is my obligatory apologetic post where I talk about payment features because they're so cool, and I know so many of you don't have access to them, and I'm sorry about that. I'm gonna lump a couple together so it's just one video you have to suffer through instead of multiple. But I have got to tell you about paid forms and reporting. So check this out. Here I am creating a form, and you are familiar with this experience because it's not changed. But if we come over to the options page, there is this option to collect payments. And if you've created a payment link, you can select your payment link, whatever it may be. And then on the form, instead of a normal submit button, you're going to have a continue to payment button. And so if we update this form and publish it, and then go look at it, here's the form, and I've got my information here and continue to payment, and now here is the payment page, right? We just go straight to that payment link, and I'm gonna leave full screen mode here just a second to show you what happens if I decide not to pay. What happens then, huh? I'm out. If we go back to all forms, and if we look at my paid form, and we look at the submissions, look, here is my submission. We can see that I submitted this form today, just a few minutes ago, but the payment status is open. And so the information from the form is still collected. It's now here inside your CRM, but I didn't make a payment, right? And so you can make automation based on this. If someone submits this form, but their payment status is open, you can send an email that has an embedded payment link to collect that payment. But you're still collecting their information either way. That's super handy. Now, the other thing I want to tell you about is reporting, because the payments object that we recently released is now here in the custom report builder. So if you want to build reports around the payments you're receiving, you can totally do that now. Both these things are live. For those of you in the US, these are things you can try out, and I encourage you to do it, and I hope you love them. For those of you not in the US, thanks for sticking with me. I apologize. I promise not to have too many of these posts. Sometimes I'm just so excited I have to talk about them.